Cornish Natural Spring Water Company is excited to present Coastal Spring, a new brand of spring water sold in support of the RNLI and a valuable addition to your product range. The first water on the market to combine innovative reverse printed labels and their dramatic impact with direct support for such a well-respected UK charity, Coastal Spring's fantastic range will cut through the crowded market and stand out against its competitors on your shelves. The RNLI's stunning imagery, recognisable brand and compelling message is featured across the range and reinforced by the payment of 24 pence per case in support of its vital work saving lives at sea. The products are themed with the core operational RNLI colours to enhance product recognition and closely align them with the RNLI services they represent. Coastal Spring is proud to support the RNLI with a minimum of £10,000 per year to help support the RNLI lifeguards and lifeboat support. With the support of the food and drink industry and businesses like yours, we believe we can raise significantly more every year. Coastal Spring is bottled at our state-of-the-art bottling plant situated in the picturesque and dramatic setting of Bodmin Moor on the edge of Cornwall. The plant produces up to 15,000 bottles an hour, with extensive hygiene and quality control from start to finish. The bottling plant stands on an underground lake where the pure Cornish moorland-kissed rainfall naturally filters through the rock to produce the very purest of spring waters. The RNLI has a strong record of successful cause-related marketing partnerships, and its core values, courage, bravery, trust and innovation, appeal to the broadest range of customers. By stocking the Coastal Spring brand of spring waters, you will be selling one of the very highest quality spring waters available, while helping raise funds and awareness for a charity dear to the hearts of your customers. We thank you very much for finding the time to watch our presentation video.